Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Adjust Brush tool. The Adjust Brush tool allows for changing key attributes of your brush without taking your brush away from the area being worked. Click on the Adjust Brush tool icon on the toolbar or press the R shortcut key. You have a number of different brush and color attributes to choose from on the menu bar. These are size, density, opacity, hue, saturation and luminance. Select an option and drag on the canvas to change its value.